case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of California heard Castaneda v. Olsher in 2007, a landmark case that challenged the duties and responsibilities of a landlord in preventing foreseeable crime. The plaintiff, Ernest Castaneda, was an innocent bystander caught in a gang-related confrontation at the mobile home park where he lived, owned by George Olsher, Paul Olsher, and P&G Enterprises. Suffering gunshot wounds from the incident, Castaneda sued his landlords, arguing they had a duty to refuse rentals to known gang members, to evict them if they harassed other tenants, and to guarantee additional security measures as protection against potential violence. Navigating the delicate balance between foreseeable harm and the burden of duty, the court deliberated on heightened obligations for landlords under extraordinary circumstances. It was determined, however, that imposing responsibility on landlords to screen and reject potential gang-affiliated tenants would incite arbitrary housing discrimination, a clear violation of housing rights laws. The court signaled its reluctance to take such a stance unless evidential proof of highly foreseeable violence was presented. While the court acknowledged that in some instances, a tenant's behavior and criminal affiliations may warrant eviction, it found the circumstances surrounding Castaneda's case insufficient to justify such action. The landlords were deemed not responsible for foreseeing the violent crime that inflicted harm onto Castaneda, reaffirming that a landlord's duty to protect is subject to the crushing scale of foreseeable harm against the burden of duty. In essence, to impose a duty on landlords to evict tenants or to implement increased security measures, evidence must demonstrate a high level of foreseeability, a threshold the court ruled Castaneda's case did not reach. The balance hadn't tipped far enough in his favor, leading the Supreme Court to reverse the Court of Appeals judgment, resulting in a non-suit.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.